Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Yes. Yes, good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening, all. Yes. Good afternoon. So, did you all through the determinants and matrices? Is your test over? Those who had the test on determinants and matrices or no? Hello, good evening, Sam. Yes. Tuhin, Ayush, everyone. Some of the students were having this topic, determinants and matrices. Is your test over or because today I will complete the basics of this. And since we have started with this chapter, we'll complete MCQs and other things, and then we'll go back to functions. Still left halfway. Oh, it's on the 19th today. Oh, yes, today. So you don't have functions, no? You have functions also or no? Oh, you do have. Okay. For the 19th, my test. Okay. Oh, also probability. Oh God. They're running with the questions. Okay. And differentiation. And integration also. Have you done any topics for CET earlier that you don't need a brush up, or should I just explain the gist of every chapter? What do you feel? You have limits also. Okay, the gist of every chapter, and then we solve all the MCQs and sums. That's fine. No problem. Now you're comfortable with matrices and determinants so far what we have done. No? Sure. Now what was left from matrices to be explained was multiplication. Before that, details we can do from self-study, yeah. Okay. I'll give you one sum on sorry. Matrix A. Angular its measurement, trigo and trigo to determine matrices, straight line, probability, complex number analysis, the permutation combination functions. Okay. Done. Thank you. We have done now. I think I taught you angle measurements, trigo, determining matrices like just straight lines we have done, complex numbers we have done. Functions, at least the composite function are still to be explained. Let's see. I know what they ask for college exams. And the basics, because your basics have to be strong because you are going to appear for JEE. I give you a matrix A3724. And matrix B is 4, 5, 1, and minus 8. This is 5. Okay. You have to find matrix experiment. They will give you 4 options. Matrix such that 2x plus 3a minus 2b plus 4i is a null matrix. I'm covering everything in one side. Rather than doing 3, 4 something. इसमें सब आ गया. My voice is lagging. It shows full internet, beta. Oh, it's for everybody. Oh God, what to do? Just wait for 2 minutes. I will go on solving, at least you can see clearly. You have to get matrix X. So, 2x will be everything on the other side. It is going to be 2b minus 3a minus 4i. So if I remove this 2, it's going to be half of the entire thing. In one shot we wrote, this is going to be matrix X. Like in formula, how we convert, we made matrix X as a subject. Correct? So X will be half of twice of matrix B minus, this is scalar multiplication, 3, 7, 2 and 4 minus 4. Now you will say what I to take. Will you not take I of the same order? Otherwise you cannot add or subtract. 1, 0, 0, 1. Correct? So it's going to be half multiply. It's going to be 8 to 10 to minus 6. Multiply by 3 inside, 9, 21, 6, 12. Multiply by 4, 4, 0, 0, 4. Khalas. Now, any sum of this type is asked, you will be able to do it. Now, you can directly do it is 8. You want me to write or you understand? 8 minus 9 minus 4. 8 minus 9 is minus 1, minus 4 is minus 5. 10 minus 21, minus 11, minus 0. 2 minus 6 is minus 4, minus 0. Minus 6, minus 12. So you have minus 18, minus 4, minus 22. So you need not write this bracket. You can leave the answer here because it will be options. So we don't know what options they will give you. No? They can multiply each number, each element by 2, by half inside, and then they can give you. They can keep minus half into. They can give you like this also. Minus half into 5, 11, 4, 22. Or they can give you, that is option, no? What that you have to choose like that. Right? Are you getting? Yes. So they can give you this option, they can give you this option, they can give you this option. That is how we find the value of matrix X. That is how we find matrix X. Understood the sum? So any sum of this type, when 2 or more matrices are given, and when you want to find the unknown matrix, make that as a subject of the formula. Keep that in a separate side, all others on the other side. If I is given, you will take I of the same order, do scalar multiplication. Are you clear about it? Great. Anybody writing, solving, whatever? Got it? Got the same answer? Did you solve? Yes. Can I go to the second sum now? Anybody still solving, writing? Oh, you're still writing. Okay. Ayush, can I? Which equation, beta? This equation. How did I get this equation? ये वाला. This is given. And you have to get इसके नीचे वाला ये. See, it is 2x is equal to 2b. I took it on the other side. Became 2b. Plus 3a become minus 3a. Plus 4i became minus 4i. And then this 2i divided both sides by 2, so half into. Understood? Oh, okay. Fine. You know, that's what I was saying in standard 8th or 9th or 7th. You have learned one chapter called formula in which you used to make this as a subject. मतलब जो निकालना है वो अलग से एक बाजू बाकी सारे दूसरे से. Right? Now solve the equations. X minus 2y is minus 4, 1, minus 3 and 1. This is equation number 1. And equation number 2 is 2x minus y, 1 minus 1, 3, 2. You have to get matrix X and matrix Y. They have given you the relation between matrix X and matrix Y. It's like solving simultaneous equations. So what we can do now, I can multiply, say, equation 1 by 2. So ये x को multiply करो, दूसरा तो हो गया मेरा 2x minus 4y. तो इसको multiply किया 2, मतलब each number you multiply by 2. Correct? All right. And उसके नीचे यही लिखो. I multiplied the first equation by 2 so that I made both coefficients of x equal. We are doing elimination method. So ये हो गया minus, ये हो गया plus, ये हो गया minus. So this will cancel. It's like solving simultaneous equations. So minus 4y and plus y will be minus 3y. Minus 2, 8, minus 6, 2. Super. Minus 1 by 3 नीचे आ गया. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, 8 plus 1 is 9. Minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. 2 minus 2 is 0. So multiply each by minus 1 by 3. So ये हो गया 1, ये हो गया minus 3, ये हो गया 3 and ये हो गया 0. So this is your y. Correct? I used to check your answer. Yes, yes. ये 1 minus 2 ये क्या है? X का. Oh, okay. Okay, okay, okay. I was checking with y. Y आया तो either you substitute y or you can multiply. अभी I will tell you. If you are accurate, you can substitute. अदरवाइज क्या होता है, अगर मैंने सपोज मैं आई एम सॉल्विंग y और मैंने y में मिस्टेक किया, तो मेरा कैरी ओवर होता है x में. Okay, so the only advantage of copying the equations again, and अगर मैं इसको मल्टीप्लाई करूँ 2 से, this equation को मल्टीप्लाई करूँ 2 से, then what will happen? अगर मेरा y रॉन्ग भी है तो मेरा वो x में कैरी ओवर नहीं होगा. So getting it? That is what I want to tell you. Now, so we will solve. We know we are right. 2x minus y is ये जो equation number 2 है. y अपना आया है 1 minus 3, 3 and 0. ये प्लस होगा. आ गया 2, ये आ गया -4, ये आ गया 6, ये आ गया 2. Yes. Correct? Understood? This is how we solve. Equation number 1, equation number 2 are given. You can either cancel x or y, eliminate one of the two by equating the coefficients. You get one of the matrices. Either you substitute that or you can copy the equation and eliminate the other one. Sorry. Again, Sarah. Yeah, correct. यहाँ पे ना, yes, 2 by 2 है ना. Thank you. 1 minus 2, 3 and 1. 2 by 2 होगा ना. Got it? Anybody still solving? Hello. So you understood this type of sum. So can I go to the next part? That is, now we will take multiplication. See, we have seen addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication. Now we are going to see multiplication of matrix to matrix. Now suppose A and B are the two matrices which are to be multiplied. Now order of A is m by n. Order of matrix A is m by n and that of B is n by p. So number of columns in first, ये number of rows, ये number of columns, ये number of rows and number of columns. So if number of columns in first matrix equal to number of rows in the second matrix, then only the product is possible. Otherwise not. and order of the product will be M rows and P columns. ये रहेगा. This will be the order of the product. Now suppose मैंने यही same order से लिया, AB का order आया मेरा M by P. Now if I want to check BA, so B का order है N by P and A का order है M by N. B into A चाहिए, A into B ने पहला into दूसरा. So columns of first and rows of second here are not equal. So BA will not exist only. Number of columns of first should be equal to number of rows of second. Then only the product of the two matrices is possible. So यहाँ AB possible होगा, but BA possible नहीं होगा. So remember that AB is not always equal to BA. So क्योंकि कभी-कभी होता है, कभी-कभी BA होता भी नहीं है. So it is, the product is non-commutative. But associative है. मतलब if I want to multiply the three matrices, I can multiply AB into C or I can multiply A into BC. So it is associative. लेकिन मैं AB की जगह ये I cannot write BAC. Getting it? I cannot change the order. A के बाद B, B के बाद C. A into BC, I can take it as, I can take A into BC, AB into C. Samjha? So it is associative but not commutative. AB is not equal to BA, but associative mein what is important is we do not change the order. Now distributive law, so everybody knows what is distributive law. Matrix A into B plus C is A into B plus A into C and vice versa. What do you mean by vice versa? That is AB plus AC will be A into bracket B plus C. Oh, you want to write the heading? Sure. Multiplication A into B. इतना हो गया कि then I will go scroll down a bit. Tell me when to scroll further. Huh? Non-commutative. Commutative का मतलब है A into B is equal to B into A. जैसे 4 into 5 is equal to 5 into 4. So I say algebraic multiplication is commutative. But in matrix A into B and B into A same नहीं होते हैं हमेशा. कभी-कभी AB होता है, BA होता भी नहीं है. I'll give you an example. You understand, अपूर्वा, कि अगर दो matrices equal है, if two matrices are equal, क्या क्या होता है बोलो? What is the first thing? What do you see in the first? पहले तो their orders are same. And secondly, corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. Shriya, small a into small b is equal to small b into small a. you are not talking with respect to metrics because metrics is capital A and capital B. You are talking in general, am I right, Shreya? Then, do you mean that my AB and BA are equal always? Metrics only. It's not commutative. I will prove it just now. Wait. Anybody wants to still copy this? हाँ फिर हो जाएगा ना. Okay, Tuhin. This is the last one. Yes, I can wait. Yes, Shreya, you are right. That becomes a special case, na? Not always. When we write the law, yes, Tuhin. अभी मैं, I will give you an example. Suppose my A का order है 2/3 and B का order है 3/2. तो मेरा ए बी का ऑर्डर क्या होगा? ये इक्वल है तो ए बी पॉसिबल है, ए बी पॉसिबल है एंड ए बी का ऑर्डर होगा 2/2. मतलब मेरा ए बी ऐसे दिखेगा, देयर विल बी 2 rows and 2 columns. Agreed? हाँ श्रेया. Now with the same matrices, if I want to find BA, तो मुझे B का ऑर्डर है 3/2, A का ऑर्डर है 2/3. Number of columns of first are equal to number of rows are second, तो मेरा BA will exist. But BA का ऑर्डर क्या होगा? 3/3. तो मेरा BA दिखेगा 3 rows and 3 columns. तो दोनों matrices का order is not same. So how can they be equal? So AB will not be equal to BA always. So we say AB is not equal to BA. When I say in general AB is not equal to BA, it doesn't mean that it is never equal. It means that it is not always equal. Yes, yes. Got it? ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि A इक्वल टू बी है तो ही AB इज इक्वल टू बी आएगा, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. आई विल टेक द सम्स इन विच A अलग होगा, B अलग होगा, AB and BA both will come equal. इसका कन्वर्स इज नॉट ट्रू. Yeah, let me complete what I'm supposed to for this A. Okay, so that my point will not be missed. I will give you example. दोनों इक्वल है बट A and B are not equal. और एक चीज पता है तुम्हें? Funny, the fun about it is, can I go to the next? Let us finish the law and I'll come back with the example. Huh? My voice is breaking very much. That क्या करें? This so I had given you. Any matrix. Shubham is saying much is breaking so much. It's showing on the internet, beta. क्या करोगे मैं? Is it a disturbance? तो मैं थोड़ा AC का फैन कम करती हूँ. Yes. See if it is okay. I reduce the AC. Is it okay now? Ma'am, बीच बीच में क्या बज रही है? It's cracking and noise in the background is because of mic. Is it better? Guitar नहीं बज रही है घर में कोई गिटार नहीं है बज रहा है. I play sitar, but when I'm teaching, I cannot play sitar at the same time, na? Is it okay now? Just check. Audible hai? Okay. This so we are done. A into I is equal to I into A is equal to A. Any matrix into unit matrix. Oh, it's quite good. Good. And you know, whenever possible, any matrix into null matrix is null matrix. You know that. Then last time, I told you divisors of zero. Who remembers what are divisor? Non-zero divisors of zero. Matrix A is not zero. Matrix B is not zero. But the product of the two is zero. Funny, na algebra mein? A is not zero, B is not zero, but AB is zero. मैंने बोला था ना last time तुम्हें. Wait. So A is not a null matrix. B को एक बना के देती हूँ मैं. अभी प्रोडक्ट लेना दोनों का देखो तो. I just made in a hurry. ये रो वाइज जाओ, ये कॉलम वाइज जाओ. Both are 2 by 2, so product also will be 2 by 2. So 8 minus 8. यहाँ 24 minus 24. यहाँ आएगा minus 8 plus 8. Minus 24 plus 20. आ गया ना 0 0 0 0. समझा? A and B both are null matrices नहीं है. Both are not null matrices, but उनका product is a null matrix. So A and B are called divisors of. So matrix algebra is थोड़ा अलग है. That's why I'm giving you all laws in a row. Commutative, associative, distributive law, then unit matrix, then null matrix. Oh, I multiplied. Oh, sorry, I did not teach you. So sorry. So sorry. Only ICSS students will understand this. No problem. I will show you. I am going to teach you multiplication. I'm so sorry. But just telling you the law. बाद में I can explain, but समझे ना समझे चलेगा. You know what I did? I did this into this plus this into this. Yeah. Then this into this plus this into this. बहुत क्रैक हो रहा है नॉइज. अभी तो मेरा एसी मैंने बंद कर दिया. मतलब इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम है. स्क्रीन इज ऑल्सो लैगिंग. Showing full internet. Shriya, I have not taught you this, beta. I'm going to teach you in about 5 to 10 minutes, the multiplication. You want me to show kya since I'm doing only? I will do it. Chalo, see. Sushant. Shreya just wants to see this, how I multiplied, karke I'm showing you. You know what? When I'm multiplying matrix A by matrix B, I cannot change the order. I have to write A pehle, baad mein B. Sushant, can you hear me? अभी ये दोनों अगर 2/2 है, देखो साइड में लिख रही हूँ, A is also 2/2, B is also 2/2. Equal है तो product is possible, तो and order of the product is also 2/2. तो मैं पहले दिखाऊं ये AB कैसे दिखेगा, देखो हाँ, AB को 2 रोज रहेंगे एंड 2 कॉलम्स रहेंगे, करेक्ट? ऐसा मेरा AB दिखेगा. आर यू गेटिंग इट? हाँ, अभी व्हाट इज दिस एलिमेंट, टेल मी. Is it not first and first column? Correct? So to get this element, I will use first row and first column. रो पहले मैट्रिक्स का एंड कॉलम दूसरे मैट्रिक्स का. ये आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग व्हाट इज दिस, फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकंड कॉलम. व्हाट इज दिस, second row and first column. What is this, second row and second column. So when I am multiplying, till you get practice for 3-4 sums, you can give arrows row wise to the first matrix, column wise to the second matrix, and this is what I have written to make you understand. ये एग्जाम में लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, एग्जाम में तुम्हें कुछ लिखना ही नहीं है वैसे, बट जस्ट टेलिंग यू. तो अभी हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, चलो. टू गेट A11, यूज फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम. जैसे ड्राइविंग व्हील जाता है ना, यू विल गो फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट, सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई 2 by 4, so it is 2 into 4 प्लस सेकेंड की जोड़ी सेकेंड के साथ 4 into -2. Means you will use first row with first column यहाँ के लिए and first row with second column यहाँ के लिए. Understood? So what will I get here? Tell me. It is 2 into something plus 4 into something. That is, see, ये 2 into this minus 4. Plus 4 into this, that is 2. Is that clear to you? Understood or no? Shreya, you asked me, so are you clear about this? Now how do you do for A21? Tell me. Second row. तो ये second row first column के साथ यूज करो. There is 6 into 4. कौन सी order बेटा? Have you understood this element or no? How I got it? See, 2 into 4. ये इसके साथ जाएगा, ये इसके साथ जाएगा. 2 into 4 plus 4 into -2. बाद में 2 जाएगा -4 के साथ जो यहाँ है, प्लस 4 जाएगा 2 के साथ जो यहाँ है. मतलब फर्स्ट रो के लिए आई एम यूजिंग फर्स्ट रो विथ फर्स्ट कॉलम, देन आई यूज फर्स्ट रो विथ सेकेंड कॉलम, एंड आई गॉट दीज 2 एलिमेंट्स. Everybody follows this? Everybody follows this? Anybody has a problem? Tell me. Now second row will go with first column यहाँ के लिए. So 6 will go with 4 plus 12 will go with minus 2. 12 will go with minus 2. So 24 minus 24 मेरा ये भी 0 आया. And second row with इसके लिए A2 2 है, तो you will use second row and second column ये वाला. So 6 will go with minus 4 plus 12 will go with 2. Minus 24 plus 24, which is a null matrix. Okay? Anybody has a problem, tell me please. Tuhin, you got this? Yes, Shravani. Sharwani, okay. What you did not get, tell me. How to multiply? Acha, no problem, you said. Oh, okay, thanks. Fine. Anyway, we'll be doing more sums. This was a part of the property, na? Divisors of 0. ये देखो. Because I just wanted to show कि थोड़ा अलग है matrix algebra than our usual algebra. और एक funny part है, if AB is equal to AC, it does not imply that either A is null matrix or B is C. जरूरी नहीं ऐसे होना. When we do the sums now, automatically we are going to get all properties, and that time I will tell you that we are using this property. If AB is equal to AC, it doesn't mean that B is equal to C if A I cancel. ऐसा नहीं है. Okay. Similarly, what will be A square? It is A into A. It is not the square of each element. What is A plus B bracket square? It is not equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Not always. इसका आंसर कैसे निकालोगे? But how do you find A plus, logic से जाओ, will be A plus B into A plus B. Without changing order, A into पूरा bracket plus B into पूरा bracket. So A plus B square क्या आएगा? A square plus AB plus BA plus B square. अगर ये दोनों equal है तो ही 2AB और 2BA. Otherwise A square plus AB plus BA plus B square. Remember that. Okay. जैसे you people have done scalar vector product. So you will understand what I'm saying. A cross B and B cross A same नहीं होते. Same way. Okay, you cannot write A cross B as B cross A. You can write minus of B cross A. Right? So somewhat similar to that. अभी A minus B square दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं ना. You will know ना how to do. It's going to be, means anytime if they ask you A minus B square, तो ये करना है अपने को. A into A minus B into A minus B, which is A square minus AB minus BA plus B square. मतलब यहाँ जो दो terms positive है, वहाँ ये दो terms will be negative. But they will be different, AB and BA. Not always they will be equal. Is that clear? Actually, sum solve करने में यही shortcuts we use. I'll give you one sum to try. One zero minus 1 7. Find K. Try करोगे? Find K. नंबर चाहिए श्रेया. I said जैसे हम लोग algebra में कैसे लिखते हैं? A into B is equal to A into C. So we cancel A if A is not 0. Means if A is not 0, then B is equal to C बोलते हैं हम लोग. या A 0 है तो 0 into B is equal to 0 to C. मतलब एक possibility होती है A is 0 और second possibility होती है B is equal to C, which is not the case in matrices. Matrices A, B, and C will be taking the sum time. You will find the product of A and B. You will find the product of A and C. Same answer आएगा. What does that mean? What does that mean? My AB is equal to AC, but AB 0 नहीं है and B भी equal to C नहीं है, which is the case in algebra. ये हम लोग algebra में लिखते हैं. Shriya, are you not able to hear? None of you are able to hear me. Hello. Now it's fine. You understood point number 7. Thank you, Rashid. Thank you, Rishikesh. Yes, Ayush, thanks. Shriya, you understood the point? Kind of, yeah. A kind of yeah means what? See, in maths there is no kind of. You tell me what you did not understand. Point number 7. Point number 7 नहीं समझा. मतलब if the product of the matrices, हाँ, you cannot cancel A and B and write B is equal to C. ऐसा नहीं होता है. And when we can cancel A, only if it is non-zero. Algebra में भी ना. See, I'll give you an example. 0 into 5 is 0. 0 into 12 is 0. But I cannot cancel 0, 0. Na? I cannot. I can't. Understood? Only if it is non-zero we can cancel. Na? Correct? You followed what I said? You cannot cancel A, yes. Are you solving the, Shreya? Oh, you got already, very good. Superb to him, K is minus 7. Absolutely correct, absolutely correct. A square minus 8A will be K times I. So A square minus 8A निकालना है अपने को. Sorry. A into A करो. 1 0 minus minus 1 7 into 1 0 minus 1 7, ये a into a हो गया, minus 8 times a हो गया. मैंने अभी क्या बोला, ये है रो वाइज, ये है कॉलम वाइज. दोनों 2 by 2 वाले, तो मेरा प्रोडक्ट का भी ऑर्डर 2 by 2 ही आएगा. ऐसा अंदर 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 8 0 minus 8 and 56. अभी मल्टीप्लाई करो, सी this into this plus this into this. So it is 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1. You want me to write in detail? I can. इसके लिए you will use the same row but other column. So it is 1 into 0 plus 0 into 7. Shreya, absolutely correct. K is minus 1 into 1. 7 into minus 1 and minus 1 into 0 plus 7 into 7. Minus 1 minus 7. समझ रहा है? So 1 minus 8. तो ये minus 7 0 0 and minus 7. 1 0 0. ये तो आए ना. So ये this should be K. I hope everybody understood this sum. Got it? Anybody solving this? कभी कभी क्या मालूम है, एज मैट्रिक्स ए है ना, वो नल मैट्रिक्स नहीं होता, बट उसका स्क्वायर बिकम्स अ नल मैट्रिक्स. ट्राई दिस. बट क्या था इसका? 4 8. तो नहीं, तुम लोगों को तो इसके ऑप्शंस आएंगे. A square is a null matrix. You know? हो गया? It is 4 into 4 plus 8 into minus 2. Then 4 into 8, can I directly write now? 32 plus 8 into minus 4 minus 32. Then you have minus 2 into 4 plus minus 4 into minus 2. Minus 2 into 8 plus minus 4 into 4. Again, समझा कितना फनी है ये? जो मैट्रिक्स नल मैट्रिक्स नहीं है बट उसका स्क्वायर कैन बी अ नल मैट्रिक्स. Tell me when to start. Sum number 5. You have to find the matrix X such that AX is equal to B, matrix A is given and matrix B is given. Now whenever we want to find the order, पहले matrix X कैसे दिखता है, how many rows will it have, how many columns will it have, that we have to design. See, it's given that AX, anybody doing the previous sum or you finished the fourth sum? Is this done? Okay, may I start with sum number 5, please? Okay. See, पहले दिया क्या है? AX is equal to B. मैंने अच्छे से लिखा. Then A के नीचे 8 का ऑर्डर लिखा 2 by 2. B को क्या है? It's a column matrix, 2 rows and 1 column. And I assume order of matrix X B M by N. Because मुझे पता नहीं है क्या ऑर्डर है, मैंने इसका लिया M by N. A का ऑर्डर पता है 2 by 2, B का ऑर्डर पता है 2 by 1, but we don't know the order of matrix X, which I assume as M by N. अभी AX is equal to B is given, it means it is existing, means number of columns of A should be equal to number of rows of B. So it implies that M is 2 and order of the product will be 2 by N, जो कि है 2 by 1 AX product का. So it means it is N must be 1. Shriya, so order of matrix X will be not 1 by 2, it will be 2 by 1. See whether you understand this. Number of columns in first equal to number of rows in second. Number of columns in first equal to number of rows in second. That gives me M as 2. मतलब मेरा मैट्रिक्स X कैसे दिखेगा? मैट्रिक्स X को 2 रोज रहेंगे और 1 कॉलम रहेगा. So we assume matrix A as A and B. अभी प्रोडक्ट ले लो. Therefore, A into X is equal to B. A copy करो अभी. 1 minus 2 minus 2 1. And B है minus 3 and minus 1. अभी we have to multiply this. एक ही कॉलम है. अभी तो कॉमन सेंस है. When two matrices are equal ना, उनकी ऑर्डर सेम ही रहनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज यू कैन नॉट इक्वेट। मतलब इसको कॉलम एक ही रहेगा, रोज दो रहेंगे। सो ये एलिमेंट कौन सा है? फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम। ये एलिमेंट कौन सा है? सेकेंड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम। तो इसके लिए यूज करना फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम। सो इट इज 1 इंटू ए प्लस -2 इंटू बी। एंड इसके लिए यूज करना सेकेंड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम। सो -2 इंटू ए प्लस 1 इंटू बी। करेक्ट? Then equate the coefficients. You will have a -2, b is -3, and -2a plus b is -1. So here equation ko you can multiply by 2. So you will have 2a -4, b is -6, -2a plus b is -1. वो वैसे के वैसा. Signs are opposite, so you will be adding. Correct? So -3b will give you -7. So you get b as 7/3. कभी कभी ना ऑप्शंस में कैसे होता है ना, सपोज इफ देयर आर 4 ऑप्शंस आउट ऑफ विच अगर नन ऑफ दीज नहीं है एंड बी का अगर 7/3 का एक ही ऑप्शन है तो ए तक जाना ही नहीं, सेव योर टाइम। अंडरस्टैंड? तो अभी ए निकालो। सो ए माइनस ट्वाइस ऑफ बी 7/3 is equal to -3. Got it? Everybody followed? 5/3 आ गया। तो मेरा x आ गया। So right from getting the order, first you found the order of the matrix, then you assume the matrix, then you took the product, then you solve the equations, then you use equality of matrices and got the values of the elements of matrix X. कभी ऐसा ऑप्शन देंगे तो लेना नहीं है, ये रॉन्ग ऑप्शन है, इट इज अ कॉलम मैट्रिक्स। हाँ, ओके। अच्छा, you want to see the start. Done, Rishikesh? Anything else that anybody wants to see? Okay. Then I'll give you the next sum. ए स्क्वायर निकालो ना, शो दैट वाला क्या करना है, ए स्क्वायर निकालो. Both are 2 by 2, so a square also will be 2 by 2. So it is cos alpha into cos alpha, which is cos square alpha, sin alpha into minus sin alpha, which is minus sin square alpha. Then this into this, it is cos alpha sin alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha. Then you multiply this by this, minus sin alpha cos alpha minus plus cos alpha into minus sin alpha, that is minus sin alpha cos alpha, and this into this minus sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Now you know cos square आधा minus sin square आधा, ये है cos of double the angle, it is cos 2 alpha यहाँ पे and यहाँ पे. And 2, ये देखो same terms है, so 2 sin alpha cos alpha, this is sin 2 alpha, and यहाँ same thing with minus sign. This is your a square. All of you understood? Now this you can try independently. पहले तो ये 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा अपने को. 8 minus 4 12 408. X and Y. समझा? I just did scalar multiplication. I multiplied by 4 inside the first matrix. This bracket is very important. ये bracket क्योंकि नहीं तो somebody will multiply this and this first. So पहले ये दोनों का subtraction करना है अपने को. 8 minus 3, that is 5, minus 4 minus minus 3, 12 minus 4, 4 minus 2, 0 minus 1, 8 minus 1. So here your answer is right. X is 19 and Y is 12, na? Minus 12 कैसे आया? Y is 12. Absolutely right. अभी देखो इसको रो वाइज मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इसको कॉलम वाइज. कॉमन सेंस है अभी. इफ आई वांट टू मल्टीप्लाई द टू मैट्रिसेस, इसका ऑर्डर है 2 rows and 3 columns. इसका है 3 rows and 1 column. So मेरा order of the product is 2/1. It has to be. Otherwise, I cannot equate with X and Y. There will be 2 rows and 1 column. So there will be only 2 rows and 1 column. तो यहाँ से पहला रो एंड पहला कॉलम, यहाँ है दूसरा रो एंड पहला कॉलम. एक ही तो कॉलम है सेकंड में. सो इट इज 5 into 2 plus -1 into -1 plus 8 into 1. सेकंड के लिए है 2 into 2 -1 into -1 7 into 1. ये 4 आएगा ना, यार 2 नहीं है, 4 है. 2 into 2 है, 2 into 2. तो ये हुआ है मेरा 12 x and y. सो इक्वालिटी ऑफ मैट्रिसेस से मेरा x आ गया 19, y आ गया 12 प्लस. आया? सुपर. At least you got the hang over matrices multiplication. एक लास्ट सम करना मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एक लास्ट. 3 2 1. होमवर्क के लिए ले सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. इफ यू हैव गॉट होमवर्क करना 9 and 10 चलेगा. Nine and 10 you can do for homework also. No problem. We can check the answers next time. Okay? So in which one you are doing? पहले का आंसर नहीं बेटा, पहले का आंसर तो ये बहुत बड़ा आएगा, बिकॉज इसका ऑर्डर है 3 rows and 1 column. इसका है 1 row and 3 columns. तो ये अगर इक्वल है तो मेरा आंसर ही आएगा 3/3 में मैट्रिक्स इसका प्रोडक्ट. अंडरस्टूड? तो 3/3 में आएगा. इट विल बी लाइक दिस. तो इसके लिए मुझे फर्स्ट रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम यूज करना है. 3 into 2. देन फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकंड कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो एंड थर्ड कॉलम, ऐसे. देन सेकंड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकंड रो एंड सेकंड कॉलम, सेकंड रो एंड थर्ड कॉलम. नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम. देन 1 into 2, 1 into -4 and 1 into 3. ये आ गया इसका आंसर. अभी दिस यू डू फॉर होमवर्क, यू कैन ट्राई. Six minus 12 9, 4 minus 8 9. Absolutely right. 2 minus 4 3. I got it here. Product. 10 you can do for homework. All right. We'll meet on Thursday. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.